my god, the stench.
Yeah, so we're gonna end up having, I'm a little worried.
What we're gonna have to do?
Knowing James Gunn, we are going to end up coming at the other end. I think that my chainsaw glows now because of my
Power?
upgrade.
Naturally.
Why does he have spikes in here?
Some fucked up things.
I just barely got that. It's a good thing I stick to one system because this might be a little more difficult if I wasn't.
And the system's
Juliet.
working.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Are you there?
Sensei?
That's his core. Listen carefully. This is your final lesson.
You need a
Killavini
head.
is a mountain of tainted flesh, held together by evil spirits. You have to send a signal from its core.
Oh, that's why he
commanding
shot
it
his
to
head off. I
self-destruct.
get it. So it is him.
Once the body is destroyed, all of the captured souls will be sent back to Rotten World. Take control of his core and make him destroy himself
How?
by detonating a Nick bomb.
That was his use.
A what?
Like you have throughout this battle, you must connect Nick's head to Swan's body.
But what will happen to Nick?
I am so sorry, as Nick would die. But perhaps
Sensei? I can't hear you.
No, Nick.
Oh my god.
No.
It's his swan song, so to put it. Kind of.
Swan.
Is the guy's swan?
Got it.
There's a reason. And yes, swan songs don't sound good.
You were right all along, Juliet. There's a reason I'm here. There's a plan greater than all of us. But it's time to say goodbye. Put me there and make the bomb.
What?
You need to put me on Swan's body. It's the only way to stop him.
Nick, no! He said you'll die.
Show him your boobs first.
Yeah, totes.
Yeah.
Juliet, it's okay. I feel strong for the first time in my life. I feel lucky to have been on this journey with you and your family. And I feel like a zombie hunter.
I can't, Nick. I don't want to be without you.
I know, baby. But sometimes there are more important things than what we want in life.
Nick.
Puts the helmet on first. That's not much of a payoff. Show him your boobs.
No.
Yeah.
It's his last
I love
moment.
you so
Shove him in your
much.
underpants.
I
Yeah,
love you too, baby. More than
that's his
anything.
reward. Okay, Ben. That happened quicker than I thought it would.
Yeah.
A Nick bomb. People are tearing up.
Oh.
Go get him, Nick! Oh god, oh god, oh god, please.
I'm loving it.
Sweet.
Oh. I wanted you to get an A+.
Yeah, really. How is it that all those things could be high and yet still not have a high score?
Yeah, I don't know.
Doesn't that go against what the score is about?
Yeah,
like,
what the hell?
shouldn't like an A+ on Sparkle Hunting just automatically basically give me a high score?
Mm-hmm.
That's odd. All right, whatever. Feels like, yeah, getting an A on all those different things should be what gets you a high score. The score shouldn't even have a ranking. It should just be your score. Whatever. Score multipliers?
Nick,
Oh, now he's with Mr.
because
He's with
of
the-
your
Oh,
honor
maybe
and
not.
sacrifice, the mad feast has come to an end. You have truly been a hero. The glorious ones have chosen to feast.
He's going back to Earth?
But unfortunately, in the shuffling of this death and that death, this body and that, there was a small mix-up.
A mix-up?
I will be watching you from above. So please, in my memory, have Juliet do plenty of cartwheels while wearing those little white panties with the teddy bears.
So what, he used some sort of trickery to send him back somehow?
It was his reward.
No, he said that like somehow there was a mix-up.
Yeah, but he got sent back as a reward.
Juliet?
But then there was some sort of mix-up.
Oh, so he's going back in some... I get it.
What is
Is
it?
he
What
in
is
her
it?
dad's body?
That's gonna be weird if he is. No, he's in Mr.
Oh my god.
He's shorter now.
The mix-up. I've got Morikawa's body. Well, what the hell, I guess.
It's the shirt.
Woot, whoop.
Oh my god. That's amazing.
Hey, face suckers!
That's gonna be some old balls.
Up here!
Yeah.
Nice.
Daddy!
He's
you
just beat up.
Yep. Think I lost a testy in the blast, but what the hell? I only need one.
Looking great, sir.
Awesome.
We best hurry. Your mama's gonna be worried.
Daddy, don't you think you should go to the hospital?
Not necessary. I used a staple gun up there to put the old scrope back together again. I'm a new man.
Completely horrifying. You know what? This has really been the best birthday ever.
Should have freeze frame when she jumped.
Yeah, totally.
Nice. Wait, that's from
Something.
a game I saw. I kicked its ass. What is that from?
It's so short.
That's pretty awesome.
Ghostbusters.
Is it?
That's what it is, yeah.
I had a feeling, but I felt like that's kind of like contemporary sounding for Ghostbusters. Well, that's been Lollipop Chainsaw, a romp.
It was fun.
Worth checking out once again as a budget title. Give it some time, let it go down in price, and then go play it because it is fun while it lasts.
We didn't come out his butt.
No, we didn't.
Yes, thank God. I was a little worried about that.
I think we should probably check out the evidence.
Yes, definitely. That's what we're gonna do on the final segment.
Yeah.
Is go through some of the, and we're gonna go through all those phone calls we missed.
Yes, awesome.
I kind of wish the mom had come around at some point.
Yeah, but totally. Do you have a Fresh rating scale? And if so, what
Press
would
the
this
button,
be?
snarf.
Don't skip this.
Look at.
Yeah.
Oh, funny.
Useless. Which one makes Cordelia jump? Oh, R1. What else? I don't think there's any other buttons.
Except there's something after the credits.
I want to make them all go up. Seem to only be able to. Oh, there we go.
You go.
This is the most entertaining part of the game. No, I'm kidding.
Now you got it. Yeah, would you give this a rating? And if so, what?
5 stars out of a dirt.
Didn't have any glitches, so that helps its rating, that's for sure.
Had that audio.
Yeah, that was one. I was actually expecting it to get a lot worse. I'm surprised it didn't. So I would say like, it wasn't. It's barely worth a quarter point, that glitch. Loading screens though do take away a half to a point.
Yeah.
I'd say 6.5, strong 6.5. Yeah, why not?
These guys are giving it 8, 7, 7, 7.5, 5.5.
I don't give it 7 because I feel like I need more space up there
Yeah.
for other games.
Yeah.
I'm telling you, man, reviewers they've made that area for their games so narrow that how can you tell the
You can't
difference between
differentiate between scores.
you need to give a little bit more buffer area. A 6 shouldn't be like a huge negative. That's still like
No.
almost like 75%. That's
Angry Joe said 6 too.
yeah, it's and remember, like no glitch score. Like if it was, it's because of that, it makes it a pretty smooth experience. I'd say one of the only downsides is the slight repetitiveness after a while, and what was the other thing? Load screens were kind of unnecessary. I feel like they could have done better on load screens, especially where the load screens are. Sometimes they really break up the action of the story.
And in between,
Yeah.
like a boss ending, and then you get the cinematic after the load screen,
Yeah.
or like,
Omega came across 2 glitches that froze bosses in their place, making it impossible to.
Ooh. That's the other thing about glitch score. You can't like give an accurate one because you can't
You can
account
only
for everybody's
play for
experience.
your personal experience. Or
So
rating.
they're kind of glitches, which you'd think is something that shouldn't be opinion-based. It isn't opinion-based. It's either there were glitches or there weren't. It's still subjective, regardless, because it's all about your experience. It had a pretty cool ending, too.
Yeah.
I would say that the theme of the story was making the best of things. Making the best of a bad situation. Because that was, she's constantly trying to like be positive and Nick just can't get over it. Felt like he was useless. But they made the best of what he was, ahead. And at the end he was able to, that seems to be what the theme is.
Yeah.
Anyways.
Yeah, Ben, you're shorter now.
shorter than I was.
Yep.
Oh, right. Where's my body?
Right here.
Oh,
yeah, how are we going to do
we're
that?
gonna work this.
They're not going to work this. We've already been down that road.
It was weird.
Yeah, the characters and the music.
What a
were
weird
both
Halloween.
Really good.
Yeah, that reception for Queen Beatrix, the Netherlands.
Oh, here we go. And what did you just say, Becky?
Characters and music were great.
Yeah, they were really
they were.
good. They're exactly what we expected.
Yep.
Not the deepest characters in the world, but I mean, again,
fun.
what are you expecting going into this game?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It was meant to be enjoyed for surface value.
All the round surfaces.
Oh, Skrillex actually did do some of the music. He's like the dubstep guy.
So do you want a sequel?
Nah, I don't think it needs one. I don't think this needs to be a franchise.
No.
It was good for what it was.
Yeah.
It would be silly to do Lollipop Chainsaw 2, I feel. Unless they made an open world one.
Yeah.
I can see it being fun if they did an open world. But this is what company? What company is this?
Unreal?
No, Unreal is the engine.
Oh.
What's the company, guys?
Suda51?
That's the producer / creator.
Well, I don't know.
Suda51 is the name of the studio? Grasshopper Studios is his studio. Yeah, sure. They should maybe, if I could say bring it back as a zombie sandbox. What is his head now? His head is a...
It's his head.
No, it's a different head now. That's how it got mixed up. Or, no, wait, that makes no sense, because his body was
Pretty
sent
sure it's
back.
his head. It's just kind of...
That's weird.
strange.
It looks like it's supposed to be like a Sasquatch or something. Yeah, bring it back as a sandbox zombie game and make it easier to kill each zombie. Because I have to say, that was one of my main qualms with the zombie fighting. It didn't feel... It's probably the least satisfying zombie slaying experience I've ever had. And that,
You can't just rip their
that
heads
sounds
off.
really bad. And it kind of is, because yeah, they weren't destructible. How is it that a chainsaw wasn't
wanna be
going
able to slice
instantly
through
through them? Give me more okay.
I'm home.
Mama, your lover boy is back.
Oh, we're going to see the mom?
Everyone, where were you? You were supposed to be home hours ago.
Mom.
Mom!
I have someone I want you to meet.
Mrs. Starling, hi, I'm Nick.
Oh, you're Juliet's friend.
Mom? What's wrong?
Uh-oh. Are they leaving it open for a
Juliet?
sequel? Is there more playing?
Come on in, everyone. Time
No!
Oh my god.
Mother, ow!
And by dinner, I mean you.
What a horrible ending! What? That's a asshole ending. What? That was my bad ending get? I didn't get the bad... Why? What do I have to do to get the good ending?
Oh, I'm sure there wasn't a good ending in case.
Because you didn't save anyone.
I saved all the
No,
classmates!
the very first one.
Are you fucking kidding me? Because I missed one?
I think so. Save all the SOS people.
Wow!
All of them?
Wow!
That's
Oh!
bullshit.
Oh, yikes.
One person missed, and I get her mom turning into a goddamn
That's
zombie.
pretty shitty.
That is horrible.
What happens if you don't save anyone? What ending do you get then?
Yeah, really.
Oh my god, yeah.
You go back and she's fisting herself with that arm.
Wait, is that a worse ending?
Ugh.
Oh. Apparently you missed 2.
Well, still 2 out of what? How many were there?
10.
That's not bad.
Come on.
good.
It deserved a bit better than that.
8%?
For that?
Yeah, man, that's crazy.
Okay, let's go see what kind of... well, actually, we'll split here. Come back and we'll check out the phone messages we missed, and we'll look at her outfits. Stay tuned, everybody.